Keep watch. The King warns us to stay awake in a world that is passing away. We live with the urgency of eternity, knowing the owner of the house could return at any moment. It is finished. On the cross, the King paid our ransom in full. As the veil tore and the darkness fell, the old system ended and the way to the Father was open for everyone. He has risen. The empty grave is the definitive proof that death is defeated. We don't worship a memory. We serve a living King who meets us in the morning light of a new day. To a humble girl in a quiet town, heaven sent a message. Nothing is impossible with God. When we say yes to his plan, he begins a work that will change the world forever.
And so it was that while they were there, she brought forth her firstborn son and laid him in a manger.
In a lowly stable, the light of the world was born. The Savior didn't come in a palace, but in a manger, proving that God's grace is most visible in our humblest places. Man does not live by bread alone. In the heat of temptation, Jesus stood on the power of the Word. He fought for our victory, so we could stand firm against the enemy's lies. In the middle of our daily work, the Master calls. Peter saw the miracle and recognized his sin. But Jesus saw a fisher of men. He doesn't call the worthy, he makes us worthy. I am willing, be clean with one touch. Jesus restores what the world rejected. He is the great physician who heals the brokenness we thought was permanent and beyond hope.